AJ, and welcome to another episode in Random Games. Okay, this is not random games, this is a tutorial, but I think I'll soon change random games to random stuff. So this is a tutorial of how to use Scratch. Now, Scratch is a coding website, and I want to tell you a little behind the scenes. Is that I've made already a whole video, but it wasn't recording again. Not again, I mean it wasn't recording. So that's the sad part. So we'll have a part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6. Okay, whatever. Okay, so when you log into your Scratch, you can use Scratch without account. But I have an account, so when you log into your account, you might see this. Now, at the top there is 4 buttons: Create, Explore, Ideas, About. Today we're going to be looking at Create. There'll be 2 parts on Create. So let's go with Create. Now, so when you see this is your coding area. This is some tabs that we'll be seeing, that we will be seeing, maybe not in this video. This will be where the magic happens. This will be where your sprite stuff are. This will be the backdrop or the background. So let's go start with some coding. Move 10 steps. Oh yeah, by the way, so move 10 steps. If you click the code, it will do what you want to do. If you put it at a negative, it will do the opposite. So it will go backwards. Now, if you don't want to click the code, you will go when the flag is clicked, and then this flag, when I click this flag or the start button, it will do that. Okay. Now we have move turning 15 degrees, and then put negative, it will be the opposite. And this is just the opposite, but you can actually put negative, so one of them is enough, but okay. So then you can go to random position so you go to random position. Whee! And also can go to mouse pointer. So you go to mouse pointer, but I suggest you not to do that event, because when you click the flag, you're just gonna go to the flag. Like, yeah. So then you can go to X, blah 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 blah. So it will automatically set the position or the numbers to where your sprite is. So you go to there. So let me just change this. Negative 333 and yeah, 180. And you go. Lost my sprite. Wait, let me just. So you can glide 1 second to a random position. You should glide back to me. Wait, no. Or the mouse pointer. And you can glide to a specific position. Also, you can change the X by 10. X is left and right. Y is up and down. Now, this should go left. I mean right. And this should go left. Good. So we got set X to 96. You will just set it to that position. Set Y to 17. You just set it to that position. Change the Y by 10. You just go up by 10. And if you want to say negative 10, you go down. If edge, bounce. And what the if on edge bounce block does? If on edge, it bounces. Pretty simple. Set rotations down to left and right. that is something that I don't know. And there's a lot of blocks that I don't know, so type in the comments if you know them, and I'll explain to you on part 2. Now, X, Y position. Set the variables. So you put some stuff there. You put what's the X position, the Y position, and the direction. Now, let's go to looks. So, let's say sub to Spiky had JJ for 2 seconds, for 5 seconds, so for 5 seconds. Now, you say sub to Spiky had JJ for 5 seconds. Now let's see if it really does 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, it does 5 seconds. We can just say if this block, it doesn't say any seconds, it'll just say it forever. Think, you just like change the bubble to the think bubble. So yeah, for 2 seconds, and this is forever. We can switch the costume. That is something that I'll show you now. So this is the costume tab. This, you can change your costumes. Here you can hover above this dog plus sign, and you can choose a costume. You can draw a costume. You can get a random costume from the options, or you can upload one. Now let's just get one here from here. This is very strange. I'm gonna make it to a building. That's so strange. So then we can say switch the costume to costume 1, you go to the cat, and then if we want to switch the costume to building A, you go to building A. Or you can do next costume, it will be like this. Now let's just next costume will be like this. Then we have switch backdrop. That backdrop. So this is the backdrop place. This is like a big line. So here, if you hover above this picture plus sign, you can choose a backdrop. You can paint a backdrop. You can have a random backdrop, or you can upload a backdrop. Let's choose a night city. So then you can change the backdrop to a backdrop, or you can change to the next backdrop. Now you got the change the size. You can change the size. You can set the size. You can set the size. You can change the color effect by 25. That means this will happen. Wait, let me just join this here. Bim bim. Now I want to show you something very cool, and I'll explain what's this later. So this goes there. Now if I set this change color effect by 1, look at this sprite now. It becomes rainbow. Woo! It's a rainbow cat. Have you seen a rainbow cat? If you've seen the rainbow cat, shout out, hey rainbow cat, how do you become rainbow? Okay. Okay, so we got set the color effect. So you can set the color effect. Oh yeah, by the way, this is very weird. You can explore this by yourself, because this, I have no idea what is this. So you can clear the graphic effects. So clear the graphic effects. Okay, I have no idea how to explain graphic effects. So then we can show the sprite, or you can hide the sprite. Hide the sprite means just make the sprite disappear. Go to the front layer. That means if you have another sprite on top of your cat sprite, it will, and then if you say go to the front layer, it will go to the front, layer. Or you can switch it to back layer to go to the back layer, and I literally just missed the button. But anyway, you can go forward one layer. Or you can, okay, so these are variables. You can see the size, the backdrop, and the costume number. Also, you can play the sound meow until you're done. Okay, that's satisfying. Okay, that's not satisfying. Why did I say that? Start sound meow is there's no difference with play sound meow, unless I'm wrong, and you can type in the comments if I'm wrong. And you can stop all sounds. Oh, I know what's the difference of play sound until done and start sound meow. So if you say play sound until done, then only stop all sounds, there will be no difference. If you say play sound meow until done, and then if you say start sound, and then you can wait 1 second. I'll show you how to wait 1 second later. You can then stop all the sounds. So it'll be like after 1 second of meow, it will stop that meow sound. Okay. So you can change the pitch effect, and you can set the pitch effect. Now this is something. Okay. I'm warning you. I am warning you, okay? Remember, I am warning you. This is gonna be too much. I am warning you. I'm changing the pitch effect by 400. So close your ears. That is not much actually. So that's fine. So you can clear all sound effects, and you can change the volume, you can set the volume, or you can put the variable volume. So now you have the events. So when the flag click, you already know this event. Let's go to the when space key pressed or any key pressed. So when the space or whatever key you want, when 9 is pressed, for example, it will do something. When the sprite is clicked, it will do something. When the backdrop switches to a backdrop, it will do something. When the loudness is louder than 10, it will, I'm just smashing something, it will do something. Or you can set to if the timer is more than 10 seconds, do something. So you can also say when I receive, okay, wait, no, this, type in the comments what is this, and I'll explain to the next video. And if you don't type this in the comments, then you don't get to know on the next part 2 on the video. And by the way, the link will be in the description. The link for part 2 will be in the description as soon as it's uploaded. So you better check that out when it's uploaded, of course. So these type in the comments what is this. So you can wait 1 second to wait 1 second. You can repeat 10 times something. You can make something repeat. You can make code repeat 10 times. Or going crazy, repeat whatever this number times is. Yeah. Or you can do the loop forever. Or you can, okay, this if then if else those that these ones will be done in just a second after you learn what is sensing. Let's go back and control. So you can go stop all, or you can stop this, or you can stop this script or other scripts in Sprites. So this means stop that code. So then you can say, actually I don't know what's this. Also type in the comments what is this. So touching mouse pointer, you can say if touch the mouse pointer, do something, else you can do something. Like if not, do something. If it's touching the color purple, it will do something, else do something, or just if do something. If the color this is touching this, it will do something. If the distance to the mouse pointer equals, that equal sign is in the operators, equals 50, do something. If wait what? So you can ask what's your name, and you can say the answer. So let's say make it ask your name, and I have no idea why is my thing not here. So then you can say ask what's your name. I am JJ, thank you. Okay, so then wait, don't delete that. When the key space is pressed, do something. If the mouse is down, that is something that you need to type in the comments. But I think I know what's that. If the mouse is, actually I don't know what's that. And then if the mouse X and Y, that is something like if the mouse X is equal to 50, do something. Now set draggable, that's something you need to type in the comments also. And also you got the loudness and timer and current year and username, or you can say the current month, you can say the current date or day of week or hour or minute or second. And you know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I am gonna off this. I'm gonna I don't know what to do. Wait, I need to think a little bit. How will I show the current year? Like, I put it here. Wait, do something? Then if I put this to current months, it will not show it. Wait a minute. That's something that I need help with. So then you have the operators. This is a plus, this is a minus, this is a times or multiplication or multiply, or this is a divide. I mean this is a divide, not all this is a divide, and pick random 1 to 10. Now that's something that I'm going to show you in just 1 second. Now this, if something, a variable, is bigger than 50, it will do something. If the variable is smaller than 50, it will do something. Or you can of course type it to a random number by 100. Or if the variable is equal to whatever you want, then do something. Or you can use the AND, the or the NOT operators. Now this is one that I have. So these stuff here, type in the comments what are they. I have no idea what are these. So a variable. Now let's go back to pick random 1 to 10. Now let's make a variable called something. That just came to my brain. So something. Okay. Then you can say set something to a random of 1 to 10. So if you don't know what's a a variable is something like a box to store a number or some words or letters. So if I say set something to pick random 1 to 10, it will pick a random value for something to store in something. You can see it picks a random value. If you wanna make it bigger, it does no idea how do you do that. Just do something. Yeah, you can put a large readout if you want. Anyway, so then you can. Oh yeah, I forgot you can full screen. You can also store a string also. So that means store self-worth. So like set something to I love Spiky hair JJ. You can say that and you set something to I love Spiky hair JJ. So then we have my blocks. Type in the comments how do I make a block because I do not know this. And we'll say this in the next episode. So I think we didn't need. Wait, did I told you about sound yet? Because in this sound you can choose a sound. Wait, I already told you about this sound. I see, did I? Okay. I'm just gonna explain to you again. You can choose a sound, or you can record a sound, or you can have a random sound, or you can upload a sound. And yeah, so this is your sprite settings. I think I already showed you. These will be all your sprites. If you want to get a sprite, hover above this. You can choose a sprite, paint the sprite, get a random sprite, or upload a sprite. And yeah, so if I put another sprite, it will do something. Yeah, each sprite has a code. So if I double click my cat sprite, it will go to my cat's code. You can also go down here and click. So there won't. Oh yeah, here we have the extensions. There's a lot of extensions like music, pen, video sensing, text to speech, translate, makey, microbit, Lego Mindstorm EV3, Lego Boost, Lego Education, WeDo 2.0, Go Direct, Force, and Acceleration. I have no idea why I said that so fast. But anyway, these have all lots of other codes, and I can't show you all of them because we don't have enough time in this video. I won't be showing you anything about this even though on the next video. So yeah, and I'm sure the things that I can do, one thing that I can do is Lego Mindstorm EV3 because I don't have a Lego Mindstorm EV3. I have a different type of Lego Mindstorm. So anyway, this is it. There won't be a part 2 of this how to create a game. So this is really, yeah. So I hope you enjoy. Please like. I failed it again. I failed my ending again. I hope you. Oh my god. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Wait! Here you can set a language. Here you can have a new or save this now or save a copy or load from your computer or save to your computer. Or you can edit this, you can restore or turn on turbo mode. I have no idea what's turbo mode. You can type that in the comments. Okay, now you can rename here. Name. And yeah. So all this share and see project page, that one I'll do in part 2. So again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!